Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you guys 7 discourse markers, which are basically words which help you fill in silences or the gaps in something you're saying, or at the same time they help you connect your speech together. So I wanted to do 5, but I couldn't choose between them all, and we have so many in English that we use all the time, so I picked 7. Okay, number 1 is well, I'm sure all of you have heard this at some point in English, but we use it a lot when we're thinking about what to say and we almost want to speak out loud. Well, number 2, basically. Basically, what it is that it's when you want to summarize an idea, or you've tried talking about an idea before and it hasn't quite come out right. So you're going to try again and you say basically what it is. Number 3, you see, you know, you get me? When you want to confirm that someone you're talking to has understood what you're saying, we use these 3 words or phrases a lot. We say, you see, you know, you get me, you know what I'm saying, to confirm that the person you're speaking to has understood what you've been trying to tell them. Then we have right. Right we can use in 2 ways actually. The first way we use right is if we want to kind of change topic and be like, right, I'm going to move on to this now. So there's that transition of moving from one topic to another. Right, now let's start on this topic. But also we use right if someone says something maybe a bit odd or a bit confusing. You might say at the end, once they've finished speaking, right, okay, right, as in you're a bit confused, or they've said something a bit odd and you don't really understand. Right. Our next one is at the end of the day. We use this when we want to summarize a whole idea and we want to give our final opinion on the matter. We say, at the end of the day, I think that people should walk their dogs. At the end of the day, that's just my opinion. That's what I think. We then have like. Now, like actually technically is really bad English in this case, but as English people we use it the whole time, so you have to know it. But I want you guys to know that it is grammatically actually incorrect. But like is what we use to connect sentences. And also to say something is similar to something when we're making comparisons. For example, oh, I was at the store the other day and like, oh, I had to buy these things because like basically like it's terrible, but we use it a lot. So it's kind of like also to compare things, so you'll hear like a lot. And finally we have or something. Or something we use when we don't want to say the rest of the sentence. For example, we might be talking, someone might say to you, oh, and what did the teacher say to you at the end of the lesson? And you can say, oh, something about completing the homework or something like that. When you kind of you don't know the answer, or you can't be bothered to explain the whole thing, so you just say or something. Or for example, do you want to go for coffee or something? Maybe coffee, maybe something else, or something. Okay, that's everything guys. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.